So I have one new tool now that I'm starting to put up different beams. I have the Triton. Oh, let's see if I can remember the model. So it's the Triton 7-inch planer. This will work really well for most everything I'm doing. I do have some that are 8 or 12 inches wide, but this will get the job done pretty quick, being 7 inches wide. So we'll see how this works.
When you first take the planer out of the box, it comes with instructions to make sure that you tighten the blades correctly. It also comes with a little wrench to make sure that you get everything as tight as possible.
Well, they're not moving, so I think they're pretty tight. I'm trying to be careful not to...
You want to cut yourself?
Okay, I think it'll work.
We finally replaced our champion generator that we lost in the fire. We had owned it for more than 10 years, and it had worked perfect for us up until the day that it burnt. So we just replaced it with essentially the same model. It's a 3650 watt generator that has both 120 and 240 volt. It should function for anything that we need to use on the project.